All right, today we're going to go over the NinjaTrader PriceMap integration and setup process. So for those that are not on dharmacapital.trade, make sure that you start the process here and log in. I've already gone through the login process. So the next step here is heading over to integrations. And then you will see two sections here, right? And so data is one section, integrations is the next. Primarily what we are focused on here is the integration section, and specifically here we are focused on NinjaTrader. So from there, hit PriceMap, and you'll notice that creates a download. I've gone through multiple different downloads. You will only see one in your downloads, and then pull up your downloads. So here you can see under today, we have that zip folder that is downloaded. The next step here is getting it on to or in the NinjaTrader 8 folder. So I have my documents here under this local PC documents. Then I have NinjaTrader 8, and then what we want to do is go into the bin and then drop this in the custom folder. And so if you click on the custom folder, you'll note that you can see the zip folder here, right? From there, that is all we need to do for the time being in terms of the site, right? And let's load up Ninja. So I'll go through the just the sign-in process with NinjaTrader, and then from there we will go to the next steps of setting up the integration. Perfect. Okay, once that green light turns on, NinjaTrader is on. And so the next piece here is we want to import that file that we just put in to the NinjaTrader 8 file, right? So what you want to do is go to Tools on the top right, or on the top bar here, drop down all the way to Import, and then NinjaScript add-on. Perfect. Now from here, all we have to do is go find that folder. So it's under Documents, NinjaTrader 8. It's in the bin, Custom, and then scroll all the way down, and we can see that folder here. And what we're going to want to do is open it. You will be prompted with a third-party add-ons warning. That's okay. Press OK. And then once it is successfully imported, you will get an import successful notice, right? Hit OK. And then from there, next piece is we need to set it up on a chart. So new, add a chart. And then just for ease, we're going to use the ESDs contracts. And then we'll load a chart. Here is ESDs, and I'm going to zoom out there so that we can have a bit more of a scale. And then what you're going to want to do is in the top toolbar here, hit Indicators, and then scroll down on the available indicators. You'll notice the DCT PriceMap overlay V1.39. Add that to the chart. Great. Now once that's added, you'll see a bunch of different inputs. For the symbol, it's ES. Make sure there are no spaces before or after ES. The asset class is futures. The time frame is solely dependent on your subscription. So if you have a pro subscription, you'll have more further dates, and then if you have an institutional subscription, you'll see all of the dates, right? And those that are interested just in the daily, you'll see just the daily works for you. But the most important part here is the API key. And so the next piece is going back to the website, and under your account, you'll see the ability to hit API keys. I'm going to do it off of the recording here just to preserve my API keys, but I will walk you through the process as I'm going about it. So once you hit API keys under account, you will be prompted with create a new API key. Through this process, it will ask you for a description. Make it whatever description you would like or notate it as, right? For example, I have it currently as NinjaTrader testing, which is a test API key that we are using for this demo. And then just hit generate new API key. Once you hit generate new API key, you'll see the API key and you'll see the ability to copy it. Hit copy and then come back over to NinjaTrader and just paste that key into the indicator. From there, the next things I would like to notate are there's a bunch of different ways that you can customize your price map. The best one I can talk about in terms of just use cases for the labels are if you have a white chart, which I do here, make sure those text colors are changed to a black. And inversely, if you have a black chart, make sure that those text colors are changed to a white. Beyond that, you can see the customizability of all of the different levels, variance, alert distance, minor levels, major levels. I'm going to turn them all on for ease. And then from there, we can hit apply. Perfect. Once we've done that, the next piece here is just confirming that it's up on the chart. And so you can see that that is the final process, and that is the setup process for getting PriceMap on NinjaTrader. I hope this helps, and feel free to reach out to us at the contact for any questions. Thanks.